Sir, I would suggest for the consideration of the House, and this is what we have been attempting to do in our science and technology plan also. We should have a plan of developmental application of rural technology. Only a few days back, a few friends from the Bangalore Institute of Science came to see me. They said that they had formed a team of scientists at the highest level who are teaching in that institute. They said they decided to go to a village about 70 miles away from Bangalore and settle down there and then identify the problems they are trying to find out how science and technology could be applied for the purpose of removing backwardness there, for the purpose of improving the productivity, for the purpose of bringing about a better environment there. They have had some short term experience in functioning in that village. They told me that they were encouraged very much not only by the results which are coming out of their experiments but by the response from the scientific community. It is obvious from this perhaps that each high level scientific, technological or technical institution should be asked to take over a specific area and concentrate their efforts there to find out how science and technology could be applied for the purpose of better development of that area and to increase the productivity. Therefore, it is only science and technology which could provide the answer to remove this backwardness, and it is on the basis of this alone that we would be able to tackle many of the problems with which we are confronted, whether it is unemployment or the removal of poverty, particularly in the rural areas. So this is the answer for that. The honorable members talked about rural indebtedness. Rural indebtedness is also due to the feudal traditions which have been continuing, bonded labor and other things. All these will have to go, and it is not merely this indebtedness but also the exploitation of the rural poor by the private money lenders which has to go. My honorable friend pointed out this thing. As far as Bihar is concerned, it is a coal mine area. I recently went through a report. That person knew something about what was happening there, how the coal miners were being exploited by a set of organized money lenders and other anti-social elements. You talk about protecting the labor and the protecting the poor, but have you gone there? Have you tried to organize and see that these malpractices are removed? Stop.